Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious ensalada de elote. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. We're going to begin by cutting the ends of our corn. So just like that. And we're also going to be removing most of the husk. So just leave about 1 to 2 layers. So just leave it up to here. Okay, and once we have all of our corn ready, we're going to soak them in water for about 15 to 20 minutes. And after soaking our corn for at least 15 minutes, now we can get ready to take it to the grill. Okay, so here I have my grill nice and hot. So now we're just going to be placing our corn and allow them to roast until they're nice and soft. Okay, so once we have our corn, we're going to allow it to cool down for a little bit. So like that, it's easier for us to handle it. Meanwhile, we can get the rest of our ingredients ready for our salad. We're going to begin by chopping our onion. Okay, so once we have finally chopped our onion, transfer it to your mixing bowl. And now we're chopping our cilantro. And once we have our cilantro, transfer it with the onion. Next we have the pickled jalapeno. And you can remove the seeds if you want. Just going to finally chop them. And just transfer it with the bowl. And lastly we have our garlic. Just finally mince it and be patient, trust the process, okay? Don't ever use the ones that come in a jar already minced because that always changes the taste and flavor of your dish. But once we have it, transfer it to the bowl. And now we're just going to continue waiting for the corn and then we can get ready to chop the corn. Okay, once our corn has cooled down, we can remove all of the husk. Okay, so once we have removed all of the husk from the corn, now we're just going to get ready to remove the kernels from the cob. So just be careful and slice it going down. Just like that. And I'm just using the cake bun pan. So like that, it's easier to catch all of the little corn. And make sure you don't leave none behind. And we're just repeating the process with all of our corn. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our corn kernels. So now we're just going to transfer it back to the bowl with the onion, cilantro, garlic, and jalapeno. And now we can get ready to finish up our salad. Okay, so here we're going to add our mayo, crema Mexicana. Going to squeeze our lime. Going to add our chili powder. A few dashes of hot sauce. And of course, queso cotija. Just going to give it a good mix. And here we're also going to season it with a little salt and black pepper. And just like that, we have our delicious ensalada de elote. So of course, taste it and see if you need to adjust it. But now we're just going to place it in our refrigerator for at least 20 minutes and just allow it to chill. Alrighty guys, and after 20 minutes, we can now get ready for the fun part. And that's serving our delicious ensalada de elote with all of your favorite dishes, or just enjoy it like that. Regardless, let me tell you that this is honestly super delicious. I do like to add a little bit more hot sauce because I like spicy. But let me tell you that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy, so delicious, and of course you can take shortcuts, you know, using canned corn. But let me tell you, I love the flavor, the smell of roasted corn. So this right here, it's always the best. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So perfect. If you like esquites, you're definitely going to love this. So good. It's so creamy. It's so perfect for summer, for sure. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious ensalada de elote. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you ever get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.